We have a Shieldon multi-tool, the blade, scissors, saw, can opener, file, flat blade, and a Phillips with lockouts. Next we have the Work Pro multi-tool, the needle nose, a wire cutter. It has a pocket clip, diamond file on one side, and some other tools. There's another blade on here that I missed in my video. Saw. So we kind of got two saws on this. We have a scissors. Lots of goodies on this one. 20 bucks on Amazon. If you want the links to any of these, go to the video linked, and the links are in the description. $11, $20. There you go. Thanks for watching.